Hey kids, welcome to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be learning about reptiles. Whoa! Reptiles are lizards, and snakes, and toads, and frogs. Yep, those are all reptiles. Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 1. A group of frogs is called an army. Whoa. A group of toads is called a knot. Wow. An army and a knot. That's nuts. Alright, ready? Fact number 2. Spadefoot toads smell like peanut butter. What? Peanut butter? I love peanut butter. I would smell that toad all day long. Alright, ready? Fact number 3. You cannot get warts from frogs or toads. Only from other people. Ew, that's gross. Anyway, well, that's pretty cool. So that means you can't get warts from frogs, but only other gross people. Ew. Ready? Fact number 4. Tortoises from the Galapagos Islands can weigh more than 500 pounds and live to be over 100 years old. Whoa! That's crazy. Can you imagine me living 100 and weigh 500 pounds? Wow. I wish I could go to the Galapagos Islands. Alright, ready? Fact number 5. Most types of tree frogs have insanely sticky pads on their toes. These sticky pads on their toes help them cling to surfaces like branches and leaves. That's why they can climb up trees and up branches and up the sides of buildings and do whatever they want. Wow, I wish I had sticky pads on my toes. Anyway, fact number 6. African bullfrogs will stay underground for years at a time, waiting for heavy rains. Wow. Can you imagine waiting underground for years just for it to rain? I guess they really like rain. That is nuts. Nuts. And ready? Here it is. Fact number 7 about reptiles. Some types of geckos don't have eyelids to cover their eyes. Wow. In order to clean their eyes, they don't depend upon eyelids. They lick them with their tongues. Ew, gross. Can you imagine licking your own eyeball? That's disgusting. Ew, gross. Ew. Anywho, that has been fun facts about reptiles. I will see you next time. Bye! Welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today's fun facts are going to be about dinosaurs. Whoa, do you like dinosaurs? 'Cause I love dinosaurs. Alright, you ready? Let's get started. Fact number 1. Dinosaurs first appeared on Earth 230 million years ago. Wow. That makes them super old. Even older than my great-great-great-great-grandfather. Whoa. Alright, ready? Fact number 2. Dinosaurs went extinct, that means they disappeared, from Earth about 65 million years ago. Wow, that's a long time too. That's also older than my great great grandfather. All right, fact number 3. The smallest dinosaurs were tiny enough that you could hold them in the palm of your hand. What? They were that small? That's crazy. Can you imagine holding a dinosaur in the palm of your hand? Wow. Nuts. All right, ready? Fact number 4. Some dinosaurs, instead of scales, had feathers. Wow. I thought they all had scales. Some of them had feathers, just like birds. Whoa. That is crazy. Crazy. Ready? Fact number 5. All dinosaurs laid eggs in order to make baby dinosaurs. Whoa. So that means they're almost kind of like birds. They lay eggs, and then out of the eggs hatch the baby dinosaurs. Wow. That's pretty neat. Crazy. Here we go. Fact number 6. The tallest known dinosaur was taller than a 5-story building. What? 5 stories? That is huge. Can you imagine looking up to the 5th story of a building and you'd be looking into the eyes of the world's largest dinosaur? That is crazy. Crazy. All right, ready? Here is the last fact about dinosaurs. Fact number 7. The fastest dinosaur probably ran about 26 miles per hour. Wow. That's pretty fast. I mean, like, I couldn't outrun it. Could you? Are you fast enough to outrun a dinosaur? I'm not. I would need to eat a ton of spinach and, like, I don't know, start working out at the gym and, like, do weights and go jogging, and then maybe, but probably I'd get eaten. Oh, eaten by a dinosaur. That's sad. Oh well. Hee! Alright, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about dinosaurs. I'll see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen! See ya! Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be talking about words. That's right, 7 fun facts about words. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. The country of India has 23 official languages. Whoa. Wow. Imagine learning 23 languages? That's nuts. Fact number 2. Cats communicate using at least 16 known cat words. What? Cats have words? I didn't know that. Did you know that, kids? I didn't know that. So, like, what are they? Meow? Purr? I guess there's 14 other ones. Fact number 3. Angry and hungry are the only English words that end in the letters G-R-Y. What? Those are the only 2 words in the entire English language that end in the letters G-R-Y. Wow, that makes me angry and hungry. All right, ready? Here it comes. Fact number 4. A palindrome is a word that's spelled the same backward as it is spelled forward. Wow. An example is kayak. So if you spell kayak forward and backward, it's the same. That's called a palindrome. Can you say it with me, kids? Palindrome. Wow. Cool stuff. All right, ready for fact number 5. The letter E is the most frequently used letter in the English language. What? That's nuts. E? Wow. So in the entire alphabet, we use E the most. Can you think of a word that has E in it? I'm thinking of one. It's called love. I love lots of things. Chocolate, peanut butter, sleeping. Anyway, here we go. Fact number 6. Ready for one of the weirdest words in the English language? Say it with me, folks. Ready? Snickersnee. What? That's not a word. Can you say it? Snickersnee. That's nuts. That sounds silly. It actually means a large knife. Wow, that's a crazy word. Weird. Weird, 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 weird. All right, kids, ready? Here it is. Fact number 7. The last fact of the day for words. In the Hawaiian language, the word aloha means both hello and goodbye. Whoa. Consider my mind blown. Wow, that's nuts. Did you know that? The Hawaiian word aloha means both hello and goodbye. So how the heck do you know whether you're saying hello or goodbye? That is nuts. Wow. Well, that is it. This has been 7 fun facts about words. I hope you liked it, kids. I will see you next time. See ya. Bye. See ya.